What's up, guys? It's me here and Colt. We're doing the Nerf war, but we aren't having Jaden or Oscar. So these are all my bullets. Yeah, there's the RC. No, there's the bullet transporter. Here's my gun. Pretty cool, right? Turn off this. Colt, here are guns. There's Colt's gun, bullets, and guns. No Colt guns now. I need to set up the camera, so. Okay, so we're gonna get ready, and 3, 2, 1, go. No. Oh. Ow. I got him. Guys, I got him. Oh. You almost got him. I knew it. Out of bullets. Damn. Who's the one dying now? I need to get something. Okay. That was suction. Oh, dang it, I almost got your leg. Oh, jeez. Oh. Hold on, I need to send the transporter. Oh, yeah. Oh, that doesn't work. Squat. Okay. I don't have any. Oh, yeah, I have all of them. Here, you send them to me. I have one. I'll send you some of mine. Okay, wait, yeah, perfect. There's 2, that's all. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, I forgot to explain the rules. You get hit, you die for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. You know what? Should I even give you any bullets? Yes, it's fair. I mean, you were trying to sneak attack me. No, you did sneak attack me. Whatever. I'll just give them some. They're on the sides of him. Let me know when you're done. Then you've got him. That's it too? Yeah. Okay. That's all. So it'd be even. Ow! It bounced so high, guys. Here, let me get more rules set up. Okay, so I moved the camera so it's better. We're not gonna have a base, so 3, 2, 1, go. Frick, I'm not loaded. Ow, Anderson, no bases. I got him. No, oh yeah, you gotta die for 5 seconds. Oh, dang it. 1, 2, wait, no, you're dead. Okay, now you're alive. You're dead for 5 seconds. Did I see it? You're dead for 5 seconds, I think. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not fair, dude. Not fair, you. Not a chance that. No, I gotcha. Pause and record. Okay, not pause. I want you to know. Here, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's okay, 5. Okay, I'm alive. Oh, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're dead, finally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gotcha, you're dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just dodging all his bullets. 5. Gotcha. Oh no, you can't do it. Gotcha. Well, I mean, it did bounce, so I'm alive. Actually, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you missed. Did I get you? Oh, I did both. 5. Oh. You gotta. Yes. You gotta reload both of the bullets so you can just reload it and then shoot. Uh-oh. I got you. Yes! You got my hair! Dude. What? I think I might want to go home. What? Yeah. What? I think I might want to go home. Because why? I can't fall asleep here. Because like I usually fall asleep to TV. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey Dad, you shot. Oh, sorry. No, you shot my shirt. Like it was like this. Dang it, you shot it like that again. I guess I'll count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No bases. I surrender, sir. No surrendering. Uh-oh. You missed. Goodbye. No, pause. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, I'm taking this. I like it more. 4, 5. Nope, I'm on a pause. Bullet rolled in here. Okay, so 1. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Pretty soon. What? Gotcha. You know you missed. Nope, I shot you. No, I shot you. You were dead. Okay, now you're alive. I think I might want to go to my house.
Okay, come brush your teeth.
Okay.
Start calming down. Take all the bullets up.
Well, that's going to be all for today, guys. Bye.